someone told you that the trash you took out this morning is worth money, real money, you'd probably tell them they're crazy. I thought the same thing, until I saw these machines in action. Let me give you a number that almost nobody stops to think about. Every year, the world generates more than 2 billion tons of trash, and that number keeps growing. Sounds like a massive problem, right? But here's what almost nobody sees. That trash is made up of copper, aluminum, plastic, glass, paper, materials that once cost money, and that still have value today. All they need is a machine to transform them, and where most people see a problem, a few have already learned to see a gold mine. That's why today I'm bringing you 15 recycling machines that people are using to build businesses right from home. And the best part? With many of them, the raw material doesn't cost you a single dollar. Sometimes they even pay you to take it. That almost never happens in any other business. When you get to number 12, you're going to think I'm exaggerating. But just wait until you see the numbers. I'll leave links to all of them in the description. Let's start with the first one. Machine 1, PET Bottle Recycling Line. We're going to kick things off with one of the biggest and most serious machines on this entire list. And I'm doing that on purpose, because I want you to see right away just how big this world can get. This is a complete plastic bottle recycling line, the kind that processes those PET soda and water bottles that get thrown away by the millions every single day. The machine shreds them, washes them, and turns them into clean plastic flakes, the raw material that textile and packaging factories buy to manufacture new products. Now, I'm going to be honest with you from the very beginning, because honesty is what matters. Several of today's machines are not cheap. This one costs around $8,000. But don't look at it as an expense. Look at it for what it really is, a single investment made one time that can then go on processing up to 3,000 kilograms of bottles per hour. And the bottles themselves are practically given to you for free. Trash to everyone else, raw material to you. And here's the good part. Precisely because a machine like this isn't something just anyone buys, almost nobody gets into this business. Where few people are willing to enter, there's open ground waiting for the person who is. Do you see how big the game can get? Well, the next machine costs a lot less. And it's going after a material that you probably have sitting forgotten in a drawer right now. Before we continue, give me 10 seconds. If you want to see all 15 machines, subscribe to the channel. It's free, and that way you won't miss any of them. Hit the red button and let's move on to number 2. Machine 2, Electronic Scrap Shredder. 1 ton of old cell phones contains more gold than 1 ton of rock, taken from the best gold mine in the world. Read that again, slowly. That drawer full of broken devices is, quite literally, a mine. This machine is an electronic scrap shredder. It takes circuit boards, electronic components, old devices, and breaks them into small fragments, the first step in separating the valuable metals hidden inside them, copper, and even gold. And here's the reassuring news. This isn't one of the expensive ones. It costs around $1,500, one of the most affordable machines on the entire list. And the raw material? In many places, people will give it to you for free because they don't know what to do with their broken electronics. They hand you the mine and pay you to take it away. But the next machine works with something that, right now, somewhere in a restaurant in your city, people are actually paying to throw away. Machine 3, Used Cooking Oil Processor. Did you know that many restaurants actually pay money to have someone take away their used cooking oil? Yes, they pay to get rid of it. Now, imagine being the one who picks it up, for free. This machine takes that burned, dirty oil, worthless to everyone else, and processes it into biodiesel, a fuel that can be sold to local transportation companies and farmers. And yes, I have to tell you this straight up. This is one of the bigger investments on the list, around $25,000. But think about it differently. It's not a recurring expense. It's a single machine that creates an entire business, using raw material that comes to you for free, and sometimes people even pay you to take it. Very few businesses in the world start with that kind of advantage. The fact that it's a serious investment is exactly what keeps most people out, and leaves the path open for the few who decide to go for it. The next machine, on the other hand, drops back down in price and works with something you can see piled up behind almost any supermarket. Machine 4, Cardboard and Paper Baler. Behind almost any supermarket, behind almost any warehouse, there are mountains of flattened cardboard boxes that are nothing more than a nuisance to the people who own them. So much so that they either pay someone to take that cardboard away or simply give it away for free. This machine is a hydraulic baler. It takes all that loose, disorganized cardboard and compresses it into large, heavy bales. And once it's compacted, paper mills buy it as raw material to manufacture recycled paper. The price is reasonable, around $5,500, and look at the entire business model wrapped into a single machine. You collect cardboard from businesses for free, compress it, and sell it for much more than it cost you because loose cardboard is worth almost nothing, but cardboard compressed into bales is worth real money. The exact same box, worthless to one person, turned into profit for another. And speaking of turning something nobody wants into something people are willing to buy, the next machine does something that almost feels like a magic trick. Machine 5. Wood Plastic Composite, WPC. Extruder. Have you seen those beautiful wood floors on patios, around swimming pools, or on balconies? That wood that doesn't rot, that isn't damaged by water or sunlight. Take a closer look the next time you see it, because it might not be real wood at all. This machine makes that material. It takes sawdust, the wood dust that carpentry shops give away or burn because it's in the way, mixes it with recycled plastic, and melts them together to extrude boards that look like wood but last much longer. It's called wood plastic composite, or plastic wood. And the business opportunity? Think about it. Today, all over the world, tree cutting is becoming more restricted, and people are looking for materials that can withstand the elements without being damaged. These boards are sold to people building patios, decks, fences, and flooring for wet environments. You buy the sawdust for next to nothing, add recycled plastic, and end up with a construction product that sells at a very attractive price. The machine costs around $3,000, a very reasonable investment for what it produces. And think about it. Two waste materials that nobody wanted, sawdust and plastic, fused together into a single board that people are willing to pay for. But the next machine does something that sounds almost impossible. It speeds up time itself. Machine 6. Automatic Organic Waste Composter. How long does it take for a fruit peel to turn into compost? In nature, months. This machine does it in days. How? By accelerating the process with heat and oxygen, without you having to wait. It takes organic waste, fruit peels, food scraps, leftover vegetables, and transforms it into mature compost, ready to use. And the raw material is practically unlimited. Restaurants, hotels, and produce markets generate tons of it every single day, and they don't know what to do with it. You pick it up for free, and at the same time, you solve a problem for them. What's the business opportunity? That compost is sold to plant nurseries, farmers, landscaping companies, and anyone responsible for maintaining green spaces. People who always need quality soil. You collect organic waste without spending a single dollar, the machine does the work, and out comes a product with steady buyers. And here's the best part for your wallet. This is one of the most affordable machines on the entire list, costing around $1,200. Low investment, unlimited free raw material. Can you ask for a better way to get started? And we still haven't reached number 12. That's the one that's really going to surprise you. But before that, the next machine works with a metal that's worth its weight in gold. Let's take a 15-second pause. We've already covered 6 machines. Tell me down in the comments, which one would you start a business with? I love reading every response, and when you leave a comment, this video reaches even more people who are also looking for an opportunity. All right, let's keep going. Machine 7. Copper Wire Granulator. That old tangled cable you have stored away for no particular reason. Inside it is one of the most sought-after metals on the planet, copper. And today, copper sells for a very good price. The problem is that the copper is wrapped in plastic, bonded together, and separating it by hand is practically impossible. That's exactly what this machine does. It shreds the cable and separates the materials, leaving plastic on one side and nearly pure copper granules on the other, clean and ready to be sold to smelters. Why is it a good business? Because copper demand is only going to increase. Electric vehicles, solar panels, virtually everything uses copper, and every year the world needs more of it. You buy scrap wire cheaply from scrapyards, run it through the machine, and the clean copper ends up being worth several times more than the dirty cable you originally purchased. And the price is reassuring, around $2,700, a moderate investment to enter the business of a metal that the entire world depends on. The difference between the tangled cable nobody wants and the clean copper everyone is fighting over is this machine. The next machine stays in the metal business, but this time with a material you can literally pick up off the ground. Machine 8. Metal Scrap and Aluminum Baler. A single loose aluminum can is worth almost nothing. 1,000 loose cans aren't worth much either. They weigh very little and take up an entire truckload of space. But those same 1,000 cans compressed into a solid block are worth considerably more. That difference in value between loose material and compacted material is exactly where the business opportunity lies. This is a hydraulic scrap baler. It compresses aluminum, copper, steel, and all kinds of scrap metal into dense uniform bales. Why does that matter? Because smelters pay more for metal in that form. It saves them transportation costs and makes it easier to feed into their furnaces. The exact same material you received loose is delivered as a compact block and becomes more valuable. What's the business idea? Aluminum is the most recycled metal in the world, and the raw material is scattered everywhere. Cans thrown away on the street, at events, and in the waste people generate every day. You gather it cheaply or for free, compress it, and sell it at a better price. And pay attention to one important detail about this machine. It doesn't only work with aluminum, It also compresses copper and steel, which means you can process several different metals with a single investment. That investment is around $3,000. Reasonable, when you consider that it's a one-time purchase, a single machine that allows you to enter a market built around a material that will never, ever stop existing. And what if I told you that the next machine works with something you walk on every single day without even noticing it? Machine 9. Recycled Plastic Brick Press. When you think of a brick factory, you probably imagine massive furnaces, smoke, and a huge industrial warehouse. Forget all of that. This machine makes bricks from the plastic waste you see lying around on the streets. It works in a simple way. It takes discarded plastic, blends it, and compresses it into solid blocks. Bricks and pavers that serve the same purpose as concrete ones, but withstand moisture and weather much better. And the business opportunity? Here's the good part. Every city needs affordable construction materials, and at the same time, there's an excess of plastic waste polluting everything. This machine solves both problems at once. It removes plastic from the environment and produces bricks that you can sell to builders at a good price. Raw material you collect for next to nothing, transformed into a product people need every single day. And now hold on, because after everything we've seen so far, you're going to like this. This machine costs around $530. $530. It's the most affordable machine on today's entire list. While other businesses require thousands of dollars to get started, this one can be launched for about the price of a good smartphone. Who said entering the recycling industry had to be expensive? And pay attention to this detail. It only requires 1 or 2 people to operate it. A brick born from trash that ends up building real houses. The next machine works with a material that breaks every single day, but that almost nobody knows how to recycle. Machine 10. Windshield Glass Shredder. Do you know what happens to the glass from a broken windshield? Almost nobody recycles it. Why? Because it's not ordinary glass. It has a layer of plastic bonded right in the middle, and separating those two materials by hand is practically impossible. As a result, old windshields end up being thrown away, all of them. This machine does exactly what seemed impossible. It shreds the windshield and separates the glass on one side and the plastic layer on the other. 2 clean materials ready to be sold. What's the business opportunity? Think about it. There are broken windshields at every repair shop, every salvage yard, and every insurance-related vehicle facility. And nobody picks them up because nobody knows what to do with them. You show up, take them away for almost nothing, process them, and sell both the recovered glass and the recovered plastic. It's a material you can practically dominate because the competition doesn't even dare touch it. The price starts at around $3,500 and increases depending on the size of the equipment, which means you can start with one of the more affordable models. What is an impossible piece of glass to everyone else becomes a business with virtually no competition for you. And what if I told you that the next machine turns a single old tire into 3 different products at the same time? Machine 11. Tire Pyrolysis Plant. What happens to old tires? They pile up by the thousands. Nobody wants them, they don't decompose, and they're a problem everywhere. So much so that automotive repair shops actually pay people to take them away. Now take a look at what this machine does, because it seems like something from another world. It takes those tires and heats them inside a sealed chamber without oxygen. It doesn't burn them, it breaks them down. And from a single old tire come 3 products that can be sold. An oil similar to diesel fuel, a black powder that the rubber and paint industries buy, and the steel wire found inside the tire itself. 1 waste product, 3 revenue streams. I'm going to be honest with you about the price. Just like always, this is one of the major investments on the list, at around $18,000. But think about it carefully. Very few machines can transform a single waste material into 3 different products at the same time. And precisely because not just anyone is willing to set up a plant like this, it's a business with very little competition. What most people see as a barrier becomes an almost empty doorway for the person who decides to step through it. And do you know what's even better? The business coming up next, number 12, the one I've been teasing since the very beginning, is even more surprising than this one. Machine 12, Construction Debris Crusher, the star of the show. We've arrived. Number 12, the one I've been promising since the very first minute of this video. And I'm going to explain exactly why I saved it for this moment. Every time something is built or demolished, it leaves behind a mountain of debris, broken bricks, concrete, chunks of cement. It's the heaviest and most troublesome type of waste there is, and construction sites actually pay to have someone haul it away. Up to this point, it sounds similar to the others, but here's what makes this one special. This machine crushes all that debris and turns it into recycled aggregate, a material sorted by size that construction companies buy for road bases, fill material, and even new concrete. And now, pay attention, because this This is what no other business on this list offers. You get paid twice from the exact same material. First, you get paid to remove the debris from the construction site. Then, you get paid again when you sell that same debris after it's been crushed and processed. The same pile of rock, paid for twice, through the same process. Do you understand now why I told you that you would think I was exaggerating? Yes, it's a serious investment, around $18,000. But no other business we're covering today pays you when you receive the raw material and pays you again when you sell the finished product. And because almost nobody gets into this business, the field is nearly empty. One machine, two income streams, and very little competition. That's why I saved it for this point in the video. If you've made it all the way to the Star Machine, then this video is already helping you. Subscribe now, it's free, and join us for the final 3 machines, because they're worth their weight in gold too. Machine 13. Plastic bag and film granulator. Plastic bags, packaging film, that thin plastic wrapping that covers everything. It's the nightmare of the recycling industry. Why? Because it weighs almost nothing, gets tangled everywhere, clogs machinery, and that's why almost nobody wants to deal with it. Most recyclers run away from it. But think about it. That's exactly where the opportunity is. This machine takes all those bags and thin plastic materials, shreds them, and melts them into recycled plastic pellets, clean, organized, and ready to be sold. What's the business opportunity? Those pellets are sold to factories that manufacture trash bags, piping, waterproof sheets, and many other plastic products. And the raw material is everywhere. Supermarkets, agricultural greenhouses, and logistics companies generate tons of plastic film every month and have no idea what to do with it. If you make agreements with just 3 or 4 large businesses in your area, you can secure a raw material supply for years. The machine costs around $5,000. And notice the strategy here. The material that every other recycler rejects because it's difficult to handle becomes available to you without having to compete with anyone. When viewed the right way, difficulty becomes an advantage. The next machine goes back to tires, but it does something completely different from the pyrolysis system we already looked at. Machine 14. Tire recycling machine for granulated rubber. Do you remember the tire pyrolysis plant, machine number 11? This machine works with the exact same waste material, old tires, but does something completely different. Machine 11 melted the tire down. This one doesn't melt it. It grinds it. It takes used tires and shreds them into granulated rubber, small, clean rubber granules. And those granules are in enormous demand. They're used in sports field surfaces, playground flooring, and even mixed into asphalt for roads. What's the business opportunity? The raw material is the same as always, free or nearly free, because repair shops pay to get rid of old tires. You collect them, grind them up, and sell the rubber to construction companies, municipalities, and businesses that build parks and sports facilities. And this business is simpler and cleaner than pyrolysis. There's no heat, no chemical process, just shredding and processing. And the price is reassuring, around $3,600, far more accessible than a pyrolysis plant. If you liked the tire business idea but thought machine number 11 required too large an investment, this is your gateway into the same industry. And now we've reached the last one. Machine number 15 works with something that woodworking shops literally burn. Machine 15, biomass pellet mill. We're closing with a big one. In any woodworking shop, any sawmill, sawdust, and wood shavings are a nuisance. So much so that many businesses simply burn them or give them away just to get rid of them. They see them as nothing but waste. This machine sees them differently. It takes that sawdust, that straw, those rice husks, virtually any dry biomass residue, and compresses them into pellets, small, dense cylinders that burn cleanly and evenly, almost like firewood, but better. And the business opportunity? Those pellets are fuel. They're used for heating systems, industrial furnaces, and the demand is enormous. In many places, they are imported by the ton. You collect sawdust from sawmills for next to nothing, convert it into pellets, and sell a fuel that the market keeps demanding year after year. It only requires 1 or 2 people to operate. The price? Around $3,800. A moderate investment to close out this list. Sawdust that someone was going to burn anyway, transformed into fuel that can be sold. In the end, that's really the entire idea behind this video. And there you have it. 15 machines that literally turn trash into money. Bottles, cables, tires, construction debris, sawdust. Things that the entire world throws away without a second thought. And that, for a few people, become the raw material for a real business. That was the idea from the very first minute. Where most people see trash, a few see a gold mine. Now tell me just one thing in the comments. Out of all 15, which one would you start? Just the number. I love reading every single response. And if this video opened your eyes, subscribe to the channel. It's free. And here you'll always find real opportunities like these. Before you leave, don't go just yet. I'm leaving another video on your screen right now that's far too valuable to miss. Click on it. It's going to help you. You already have the idea. Now, the only thing left is for you to take the leap.